Hello, I'm David and welcome to another video, and today this is just an overview of our range of safes called the London Eurograde 2. This is us, London Home County Safes, on londonsafes.co.uk, and please consider subscribing to our channel. There should be a link right down in the bottom right hand corner of your screen now. So the London Eurograde 2 comes in a total of 7 sizes. This is the smallest that I've got on my bench here today. This is called the size 0, and then you've got the size 1, 2, 3, 4 and onwards. So within those 7 sizes you have a choice of 3 types of locking mechanism, if you like. This particular one is fitted with the illuminated keypad, electronic digital keypad version. Then we have the ordinary key version, which uses double-bitted security keys, just so regular keys, no electronics. And finally, there's a biometric version that uses a keypad that's not hugely dissimilar to this, but it has a fingerprint reader and it can store fingerprints. So you open it by tapping a code in and your fingerprint being read. It's not simply just the fingerprint. I'll quickly walk you through this one just to show you how to open it. So if it was in a dark cupboard or something, you've got this light button, you press that and hopefully you can see that the blue LEDs have illuminated. Tap your code in. It's no secret that the default code is 1 through 6. That's clicked. I can now turn the handle and open the safe door. The handle moves the bolt work in and out. I'll just pull it all the way out so you can see how substantial all the bolt work is on here. Here's the certification. So this is certified to EN1143-1 as a safe. So that's resistance grade 2. So that's a Euro grade 2. So this is what your insurance company needs to know about this testing and certification. This is approved by all UK insurance companies for storing up to £175,000 in valuables, or £17,500 in cash. So it's what they would call a 17,500 cash safe. And that second certification is for its fire storage. So it's also categorized as a light fire storage unit, categorized for a half-an-hour test. That's what that 30p for P for paper stands for. All 7 sizes are going to have the same grade, the same insurance rating and the same certification. So all safes come with a shelf, multi-positionable. This one is in 3 positions. That would increase with the positions would increase with the size of the safe as they get taller. They've all got base fixing, which is that cover plate there that's covering the base fixing, and rear fixing, which is that fixing at the back there. So that's the summary on the London Eurograde 2 range. There's a link now at the top of your screen to the in-depth video on this particular safe, the size 1 with the digital keypad. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please get in touch. So as I say, this is us, London and Home County Safes. Trustpilot, we're rated as excellent. And as you can see, free delivery and free installation in all those areas at the bottom there that we cover. It's all on the website, which is londonsafes.co.uk. Any questions, please get in touch. I'm David. Thanks for watching.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.